So that was good one. Very good, Manisha. Everybody understood this problem?
Yeah, but the solution was not given at last.
Yeah, this is the solution. No, this is the solution.
Yeah.
Then.
No, but if the king behaves, white king behaves in a different manner, then we are stuck up.
No, wait, let us try. Let us see. So this was the position, right? And this is the first move because you want to distract this.
Yeah.
You don't want this on this position. Now, if he goes anywhere else, that means you get the win. And if he doesn't go anywhere else, and only if this comes over here, then still check over here, kill. And this is a winning position then. Why not this is winning position? Where is the problem? You tell me. Why
So
not
it's not
black
a mate,
win?
no?
It is not a mate, but now, see, if white plays anything else, this is good. If he moves this, then the game is almost gone. Then this will kill this. Or this will go anywhere and discover check is there. It goes over here, check. Goes anywhere, it just go on destroying entirely. And one piece up is a very big thing, very big thing. Let us try to find out any other move is there or not, but I don't think any other move. Anybody, everybody, in fact, you tried any other move?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you tell black swans there or white?
Pardon, pardon?
Sir, black swans is there or white?
It is black. It is black's move. Black played this.
Okay.
Now white plays. This is black's very good move. Perfect move. Now white doesn't move this at all. And white plays something different. What that something different white can play?
Okay, sir.
White cannot play anything
Queen
too different.
E1.
Queen E1. Queen E1, then this is check. And mate. You have to keep queen over here only. Then this goes over and you lose this piece. And then it is a win. And if white chooses to take what comes free, this is free, he takes, then it is a big trouble. Check. He has to go down and then checkmate. Why queen is coming over here is because to stop this rook, nothing else. You understand? So let's go for next problem.
Yes.
Now the difficulty level will increase. This is third level problems are there. Let's hope they are like that. Sometimes I find third level problems are not good and second levels were better.
তুমি এখানে বসো না, আমি এখানে বসছি।
Yeah, black to play. This is easy, quite easy. In fact, far easy problem.
Sir, rook to e1.
Rook to e1. Then this rook will kill.
Then
Sir,
queen to g2.
G2.
Or then this will kill.
Yeah.
This problem given here for the decoy is not correct. This is something destroying the defender problem. There is one more concept, that is, we call it as a destroying the defender. Means whoever the defender is for a particular position, you just have to attack that defender first, attack the guard, and then आपका रास्ता खाली हो जाएगा. So this problem pertains to that, not the decoy one. It's so easy.
Sir, the rook to h4.
Rook to h4. Correct. This is correct. Absolutely correct. Because this one move, it is threatening the checkmate over here also and checkmate over here also. Two checkmates are threatened. You kill this, still it is checkmate, or still it is checkmate. And you don't kill this, and you play this, still check, check, and you win. Very clear. There is no chance. In fact, there is a overwhelming majority as it is. As it is, ये win ही कर रहे हैं white, sorry black. खाली formality बाकी है. Because this checkmate is there all the time. This move is also very good, basically. It is opening this checkmate. So if this takes, don't come over here, come over here and checkmate. And if this doesn't kill, this doesn't kill, and if he plays over here, then you can kill this and checkmate. Understood? So this original move was good. We didn't see this checkmate. This was very simple problem. I don't know why it is in level 3. Or have I forgotten one particular piece? Yes, I have forgotten one piece. That is why. There is an additional piece. Yeah, twin. Now you tell me. Because see, one thing is there. This is going over here, 101%, and check. Or this will kill this. Also possible. First check. That is also possible. So many possibilities are now there. Now you rethink. Still, it is easy problem. Huh?
Sir, rook to e7.
Rook to e7. E7, sorry. E7 here. No? That means you are threatening now this checkmate. Right? And this cannot kill. But then this check. What you will do? Now you have to give this. If you come over here. And if you come over here,
Queen
then
to c8.
queen to c8. Then what? Then it is easy. Queen takes queen. This takes this. Then the game is very different. This will come up. So 1, 2, 3, 5 pawns versus 4 pawns. 2 piece versus 2 piece. It is equal game. In fact, 51% white will win and 49% black will win. 1 pawn ahead.
Instead of the bishop, instead of the bishop,
Yeah.
the queen can be survived, no? See, if the black queen is giving a check, if the white
This
queen
was
is
the
giving the check,
white queen is giving the check. White queen is
yeah,
giving the check.
then
Then
the
bishop will
bishop
be
can
there.
block the way. Yeah,
Yeah.
because the
Then
queen is
yeah, correct.
having the support.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah,
But then this check.
then you can block it with the rook.
Good one. Again this check.
Move the bishop to this position. Sorry, the rook to
This position.
e. Yeah.
This position. This is so. What will happen? This is never going to end. Check. Or in fact, now this over here. This is dangerous. Now there is no checkmate threat also. Now white will win. White is now this has to come over here now. Forced. And this will kill. This will kill. This will kill. This will kill. Equal. But there is a beautiful answer to this. You are totally overlooking it.
Sir, black's chance is there, no?
Yeah, it is black's chance. This is the original position.
अजून काहीतरी राहिलंय का?
नाही, आता बरोबर. दोघांकडे 3 पीसेस आहेत टोटल. Once I give the answer, na, तुम्ही कपाळाला हात माराल ऍक्च्युअली.
Sir, bishop to d5.
बिशप टू b5. b5 ला कसं येईल बिशप?
d5.
d5. If bishop comes to d5, this will kill Nare. Pawn is there. No? In fact, तुमच्या लक्षात नाहीये. I had already given the answer when there was no queen. The answer was given, but you do not have full attention. You think about decoy now. This is the decoy problem. So you want certain piece at certain place where you will take the advantage. So now which piece you want where? You force that piece to go there. How? Identify the piece and then you force it.
So the rook takes the knight in h4 position.
This is quite good. This is quite good. Now you have multiple attack. 1, 2, so many attacks are there. But now white can defend. Just see. White defends this way. Check. Now if this comes over here, na, then this attack is nullified, and after this white can take this rook, so this attack is also nullified. At the most he will give check, come over here, give check, come over here, give check, come over here. That's all. उतना ही होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा. नहीं, ये नीचे जाएगा तो ये वापस इधर भी आ सकता है ना. But now white is clearly winning because rook advantage is there. And supposing after this check, if this doesn't come down and this come up, then very clearly check. This comes up wherever, still check. Goes down. This will be here. No, why this will be here? This will kill. So clear win. Getting 2 pieces. So that is not a correct proposition.
Sir, rook to e1.
Rook to e1. Rook to e1. Again, this is a big trouble, right? And this is a trouble. So what this will do is first check. In check, if this goes here, then this trouble gone. Then this will simply kill. You understand? And if this comes down, then still this check, this goes and this kills. Same. So killing anything doesn't apply. Shall I show you?
Yeah.
Or you want to try? Come on. A simple move. A simple move. I will show you that move and then you will think this is the move.
But the queen can take, the king can take the queen, na?
Yeah, but that is what I want. See, again, decoy. I want that king on h1 square. then only I
Can I
will
tell?
win. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Now there is force. Yeah, correct. There is a force. No other move.
Sir, I have. Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, that move only, and its second move will be rook to c1.
Sir,
That
But
sir,
the rook can take the knight, na? The rook can
Yes.
take the knight.
See, now what is happening now? After check, this is forced move. There is no other move possible. Now this has come in the line. So
So
next
now
is
just move the knight. Yes,
correct.
right.
Correct.
Finish.
Now this check
Finish.
is there and this check is there. Both check is there. So it has to go back and then mate. So beautiful it is. So these things are to be seen by you. अपना ब्रेन इतना ट्रेन होना ही चाहिए कि ऐसे पोजीशन, कोई भी पोजीशन में कुछ ना कुछ दिखता है. अरे यार ये सैक्रिफाइस किया तो अपने को कुछ मिलेगा. ये सैक्रिफाइस किया. Sacrifices are the प्राण chess. Without sacrifice, don't think of chess. If you are playing a normal chess, मेरा क्या जा रहा है, मुझे क्या मिल रहा है, एक पॉइंट के बदले में एक पॉइंट, 2 पॉइंट के बदले में 2 पॉइंट. It is very passive chess and you will get tired of that chess after say 5 days or 10 days or 1 year. But once you start sacrificing your pieces for the winning purpose, then you will never get tired entire your life, because all the time there will be new ideas. All the time. That is why chess is popular for last 700 years and still it is so much popular. Still, after the advent of supercomputer also, chess is so much popular. And because of these 2-3 players in the world, and again, whenever you have got a time, I say that you look at the game by Mikhail Tal. He is the king of sacrifice. King of sacrifice. Then Jose Raul Capablanca, there is another one who was very dominant in sacrificing his pieces. And nowadays, Magnus Carlsen also has started doing those things nowadays. And the latest one, that means most recent player in chess who is making lot of noise now is our Nihal Sarin, our own Indian player, hardly 14-year-old. Every day he is beating somebody, some very good players from in the world. All new records he is setting up. Nihal Sarin, beautiful master he is. Only 14-year-old. And that Pragyanand, he is 11-year-old hardly. Both are grandmasters. So I don't think you are watching any chess games. If you do not, if you have any software, it is good. If you do not have software, I will recommend one software where you can watch all those games. Or on YouTube also you can watch, of course. YouTube nowadays you get everything. No need of software and all everything. You can watch, just have to type the game of Tal or game of Nihal Sarin and you will get the game and you can watch that video. Lot many videos are there. Nihal Sarin you do watch. In fact, मैं तो थकता नहीं इनके videos watch करते करते. दिन भर वही चालू रहता है.
आप व्हाट्सएप में भेज सकते हैं सर.
बिल्कुल मैं अगर मुझे see what I can do is that मुझे कोई अच्छा वीडियो आया कि ये आपके देखने लायक है तो मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पर लिंक शेयर करूंगा. Many a times links are Facebook links, लेकिन वो आपके लिए अलाउड है कि आपके घर में Facebook, क्योंकि Facebook पर भी काफी good games are available. Many good games are available. So if they are okay for you, then only you open. नहीं तो otherwise आप घर में बोलने के टाइम ऐसे बोलेंगे सर ने बोला है फेसबुक देखने को. तो मेरे नाम पर चिट्ठी मत फाड़ो. समझ गए एवरीबॉडी?
Okay, sir.
हाँ, मैं व्हाट्सएप पर क्लियर कट मैसेज दे दूंगा कि आई डू नॉट रिकमेंड टू वॉच ऑन एफबी. यूट्यूब का मिल गया लिंक तो मैं यूट्यूब का भेज दूंगा, कोई इशू नहीं है. हाँ, यूट्यूब का कोई इशू नहीं है. एफबी का लिंक भेजना मेरे लिए भी अच्छा नहीं है, क्योंकि आई डोंट रिकमेंड यू पीपल शुड बी ऑन एफबी. ओके,
Okay.
सो टुमारो अगेन, नो नॉट टुमारो, देयर इज अ क्लास, नो ना?
No.
ओके, अपना एक क्लास मेरे ख्याल से रह गया है. या तो आई विल ट्राई टू मेक अप दैट क्लास ऑन वन हॉलीडे पर्टिकुलरली. कोई हॉलीडे आ गया है तो. मनीषा, कोई हॉलीडे है क्या अभी ऑफिस को?
अभी फिलहाल ये महीने में तो कुछ नहीं है.
ओके ओके, तो नेक्स्ट महीने में एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा,
अक्टूबर
क्योंकि
में देखना
हॉलीडेज में
पड़ेगा.
क्या
और
हाँ.
सेकंड अक्टूबर को
हाँ.
देखना पड़ेगा.
या क्योंकि इनको किसी को स्कूल
बट
भी नहीं
सेकंड
रहेगा ना,
अक्टूबर को
तो
ऐसे भी अपना क्लास रहेगा. नहीं, सेकंड अक्टूबर को
Oh.
अपना क्लास तो रहेगा ही ना. इट विल बी सैटरडे
Okay.
ओनली आई थिंक.
सैटरडे ओनली ना. नहीं, मॉर्निंग को हम ले सकते हैं क्लास,
17
या हम लोग थोड़ा ज्यादा देर ले लेंगे, और क्या. व्हाट वी
नो
विल
नो,
डू इज
सेकंड
दैट.
अक्टूबर इज फ्राइडे को भी अपना
Friday.
क्लास है.
ओके ओके ओके, हम लोग मॉर्निंग को लेंगे, फिर शाम को भी लेंगे, और वापस सैटरडे को भी लेंगे. ऐसे कर सकते हैं, कोई
Right.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बिकॉज ना ये बच्चों को स्कूल को भी छुट्टी रहती है ना उस दिन. दे डोंट हैव क्लासेस, so
सर
that is why I am opting
Yes.
for bank
नो,
holiday.
सेकंड अक्टूबर को
सर
नहीं.
सकाळी माझा कोडिंग क्लास
किती वाजता? रोज
नाही सॅटर्डेला आणि संडे.
फक्त सॅटर्डे संडेला ना? ओके, इतर दिवशी पण मी बघतो जरा. आता मी नम्रताला
फ्रायडेला
सांगतो.
म्हणतोय ना आपण. फ्रायडेला
फ्रायडे
म्हणतोय.
फ्रायडे मॉर्निंगला कोडिंग क्लास नाहीये ना?
नाही फ्रायडेला
हा हा, मग फ्रायडेला सकाळी घेऊया. एक क्लास आपला बुडलेला निघाला, आपण कव्हर करू.
फ्राइडे
काय काय
तो फ्राइडे को मेरे सुबह को एग्जाम है.
कौन सी? 2 अक्टूबर को कौन सी एग्जाम रहेगी रे? 2 अक्टूबर इज, हाँ, we are talking about 2 October. It is a bank holiday, complete national holiday. It is no exam, nothing will be there. Don't worry.
फ्राइडे.
अरे Friday 2 October I am talking about. Okay, beta. So we will stop over here. I will try to send one or two problems remaining, whatever are with me, immediately now on
आणि ते
WhatsApp.
क्लास घेणार असेल फ्रायडेला तर ते आधी मेन्शन करा.
आधी मी आधी सांगेन मी, क्वाईट आधी सांगेन मी.
हा.
साधारण बुधवार गुरुवार पर्यंत सांगेन मी. नो इश्यूज,
Sure.
नो इश्यूज. हा, आणि मी प्रॉब्लेम पाठवतोय. एव्हरीबडी पे अटेन्शन. आय एम सेंडिंग थ्री प्रॉब्लेम्स टू यू. ट्राय टू सॉल्व दोज प्रॉब्लेम्स.
या, आणि कालचा रेकॉर्डिंग.
कालचा आता मी 10 मिनिटात मिळेल. 10-15 मिनिटात
thank
मिळेल.
you.
अपलोड व्हायला जो वेळ लागेल तो. हा, ठीक.
ओके,
या
थँक्यू, टेक केअर.
या
बाय.
बाय सर.
बाय बेटा.
थैंक यू सर.
येस.